This is the kind of question that 99% of people solve incorrectly. The problem is 72 divided by 9 times 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4, so the expression becomes 72 divided by 9 times 4. Then 9 times 4 is 36, and 72 divided by 36 equals 2. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations PEMDAS. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math, from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way, you just finish them up from left to right. In this expression, we have division, multiplication, and parentheses with subtraction inside. According to PEMDAS, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 9 minus 5 equals 4. The expression becomes 72 divided by 9 times 4. After the parentheses, it's time for multiplication and division, which must be solved from left to right. 72 divided by 9 is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. If you enjoy this type of math challenge, like the video and subscribe to the channel.